This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Yes, and today we talk about neighbors.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We are so happy you are here today.
If this is your first time, welcome to the family.
And if you watched us before, hello again, friend.
Today, we practice English conversations with neighbors.
Short sentences, simple words, real life.
You will be able to say these things today, we promise.
So, let's go.
Okay, Mike. Before we start, let's say hello to our viewers.
Yes. Hello, everyone. How are you today?
I hope you are having a good day, or a good evening, or a good morning wherever you are.
That's right. People watch us from all over the world.
That makes me so happy. We have viewers from the Middle East, from Asia, from Europe, from everywhere.
And we are here every day with new English practice for you.
This channel is called Easy English Podcast, and we believe learning English should feel easy.
Not stressful, not scary.
Just natural, like a conversation with a friend.
Exactly like this one.
So, if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel.
It's free, and you will get new English practice every single day.
Just press the subscribe button right now. It only takes 1 second.
And press the like button too. It really helps us.
It tells us, hey, I like this. Make more.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Learning together is always better. Okay, let's talk about neighbors.
So, Sarah, neighbors. This is a topic everyone can use.
Yes, because almost everyone has a neighbor, right?
A neighbor is the person who lives near you, next door, in the next apartment, on the same street.
And we talk to our neighbors in real life, at the door, in the hallway, outside.
So knowing what to say in English is very useful.
Think about this situation. You move to a new place, a new apartment, a new city, a new country.
And your neighbor says, "Hi, I'm Tom. I live next door."
What do you say? Do you know the words?
After today, you will know exactly what to say.
We will practice how to introduce yourself to a neighbor,
How to make small talk.
how to ask for help politely,
How to say goodbye naturally.
all of it, step by step.
Stay with us. We'll practice everything again at the end, so don't go anywhere.
Okay, let's start with the first situation. You see your neighbor for the first time.
This is very common, very normal, and a little bit nervous maybe.
Yes, maybe a little nervous, but it's okay. Short sentences help.
Right. You don't need a long speech, just a few simple words.
Let's practice. Mike, you are my new neighbor. You just moved in.
Okay? Hi there. I just moved in, apartment 4B. I'm Mike.
Oh, hi, I'm Sarah. I live in 4A, right next door. Welcome.
Thank you so much. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. Let me know if you need anything.
That's so kind. Thank you. Okay. Did you hear that? Let's look at the important phrases.
First, I just moved in. This means I am new here. I arrived recently.
You can say, I just moved in last week, or just, I just moved in.
Second phrase, welcome. This is a warm, friendly word. It makes people feel good.
Third, let me know if you need anything. This is very kind, very natural.
It means if you have a problem, you can come to me.
You don't have to say it, but it is very friendly when you do.
And the last one, it's nice to meet you. Very important, very common.
You can also say, nice to meet you. Shorter, same meaning.
Both are perfect. Use either one. Viewers, try saying this now. Say, hi, I'm Sarah. It's nice to meet you.
Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
Even alone at home, say it. That's how your English gets better.
Okay, so you met your neighbor. Now what?
Now, small talk.
Small talk means short, easy conversation. Not very deep, just friendly.
Like talking about the weather, or the building, or simple things.
This is very important in English-speaking countries. People do this a lot.
Let me show you. Mike, let's pretend we meet in the hallway.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Mike. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. A little tired. Long day at work.
Oh, no, I know that feeling. The weather was so hot today, too.
I know. I was outside and wow, too hot.
Right? Okay, well, have a good evening.
You too. Take care. Back to normal.
Simple, right?
Very simple. Let's break it down.
How are you? You say this when you see someone. It's a greeting.
The answer is usually short. I'm good, thanks. Or not bad. Or tired, but okay.
You don't need to explain everything, just a short answer.
Then you can add one small comment like, long day at work, or it's so hot today.
That's it. That's small talk.
And at the end, say goodbye. Have a good evening, or take care.
These phrases are very natural. Native speakers say them all the time.
In this situation, the hallway, the elevator, or outside the building, small talk is perfect.
You can say, "How are you? Nice day today, right? Have a good one."
Short, friendly, easy.
And remember, you don't need a long conversation. Even 30 seconds is enough.
Small talk is just being friendly, that's all. Okay, new situation. You need help. You have a small problem.
Maybe you need to borrow something, or you have a question.
This happens, and it's okay to ask your neighbor for help.
But how do you ask politely in English?
Let me show you. Sarah, I need to borrow some sugar.
Classic.
Knock, knock.
Door opening. Oh, hi, Mike. Everything okay?
Hi, Sarah. Sorry to bother you. I'm cooking and I don't have any sugar. Can I borrow some?
Of course. No problem at all. Come in.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm sorry to ask.
Don't worry about it. We're neighbors.
You're the best. I'll return it tomorrow.
No rush.
Okay, great example. Let's look at the key phrases.
First, sorry to bother you. This is very polite. It means, I know you are busy. I am sorry for interrupting.
Always say this when you knock on a neighbor's door. It's very polite.
Second, can I borrow? Borrow means use for a short time and return it.
Can I borrow some sugar? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow your charger?
Third phrase, no problem at all. This is how you say yes in a friendly way.
It means, it's okay. I am happy to help. Don't worry.
And finally, no rush. This means take your time. There is no hurry.
Very natural. Very kind.
Viewers, in this situation, being polite is very important.
Always say sorry to bother you or excuse me before asking.
It makes a big difference. People feel respected.
And they are happy to help you.
You can say, sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment? Can I ask you something quickly? I'm sorry to ask, but...
These are all very natural and polite. Use them.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about this more. What do you think makes a good neighbor?
Oh, good question. I think a good neighbor is quiet, not too noisy.
Yes, I agree. I don't like loud music at night.
Me neither. Sleep is important.
What else? I think a good neighbor is friendly. They say hello. They smile.
Yes, they don't have to be your best friend, just friendly.
Exactly. A small good morning is enough.
I also think a good neighbor respects your space. They don't come to your door every day.
Right. Respect is important. You don't bother people too much.
But when there is a problem, you help.
Yes, like if you see a package outside someone's door, you can tell them.
Or if there's water on the floor in the hallway, you tell the building manager.
These small things make life easier for everyone.
Viewers, what do you think? What makes a good neighbor?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know your opinion.
And here are some vocabulary words from this section.
Noisy. This means loud, too much sound.
Respect. Treating someone well, giving them their space.
Space, room, privacy, not too close.
Package. A box or delivery. Something from online shopping.
We all have a lot of those.
Too many.
Okay, let's put it all together. You have learned a lot today.
Yes, let's review the most useful sentences.
For meeting a neighbor for the first time, you can say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I just moved in. It's nice to meet you."
For small talk, you can say, "How are you? Busy day? Have a good evening."
For asking for help, you can say, "Sorry to bother you. Can I ask you something?"
And for being a friendly neighbor, just smile and say, "Good morning" or "Have a nice day."
Short, simple, friendly. That's it.
For example, if you see your neighbor in the morning, you say, "Good morning, have a great day."
And they will feel happy, and you will feel good too.
In this situation, even 2 words can make a big difference.
English doesn't have to be complicated. Simple is perfect. Okay, we promised to practice again at the end, and here we are.
Let's do a quick role play. One more time, from the beginning.
Ready?
Knock, knock.
Oh, hello.
Hi there, I'm Mike. I just moved in downstairs. Nice to meet you.
Oh, wonderful. I'm Sarah. Welcome to the building. Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you so much. Actually, do you know where the nearest supermarket is?
Oh, yes. It's just 5 minutes away. Turn left at the corner.
Perfect. Thank you. You're very kind.
Of course. That's what neighbors are for.
Have a great day.
You too. Welcome again. Back to normal.
Beautiful. Did you follow that?
All short sentences, all natural.
And very friendly.
Viewers, you can do this. You are ready.
Now, it's your turn to practice.
In the comments below, write one sentence to a neighbor.
You can copy one of these if you want.
Hi, I'm your name. It's nice to meet you.
Or, sorry to bother you, can I ask a question?
Or tell us, my neighbor is friendly, quiet, or noisy.
We read every comment, every single one.
And we love seeing your practice. It makes us so happy.
So write something, even just one word. We will see it.
Okay, everyone, that is our lesson for today.
Neighbors, small talk, asking for help, being friendly.
All in simple English, all in real life.
You did great today, seriously.
If you watched the whole video, we are proud of you. That is real dedication.
Every video you watch, every word you practice, your English is getting better.
Maybe slowly, but it is getting better, we promise.
Don't give up. Don't stop.
And don't forget, learning English is not about being perfect.
It's about being understood and being brave enough to try.
You are doing that right now.
We will be back tomorrow with another new video just for you.
So stay with us, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. It really means a lot.
Take care of yourselves. Be kind to your neighbors.
And keep practicing your English.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.